All right, so today, here's ES and NQ, and really, if you look at over it, this is the 1 hour chart. I think we're one candle shy of where we're currently at. I just want to give you my perspective coming into the day. As you can see on the macro time frame, ES is the more bearish one, as we have an SMT at the highs here, as you can see here, and we actually came down lower, and one moment, and took this low. NQ, we have not taken this low yet. So what was I waiting for? Right here we were chopping a lot. This is the 1 hour time frame, but once we got this 10 a.m. close, which is this candle, I'll just concentrate on NQ now. So on NQ we got this 1 and 4 hour fair value gap. So that was the most displacive gap of the New York AM. So if you look here, even on the 4 hour, we have it here. So I put this line of this 4 is the consequent encroachment of this 4 hour gap. So now I'm looking for shorts, and this is worth noting. So obviously on the higher time frame we have ES is the more bearish asset, but when you're trading New York AM, what you're looking to see is which asset during that AM session is trading more bearishly. So even on the macro time, we see ES was actually holding up a little stronger coming into New York AM. So I switched my focus then to NQ. And if we look here, I'll go in bar replay mode. So right here, this purple line is the 4 hour consequent encroachment I had marked on the previous chart. So once we got that close, we're on the 1 minute now. What I'm looking to do is see price push up in here. Remember, this is the 1 hour and 4 hour fair value gap. So I want to see it push up here, take this liquidity, and then we've got obvious draws below. So let's see what happened. So we get that strong push right up into, we take the first of these 1 minute fair value gaps, which is great to see that mitigated. As you can see, what I was talking about earlier, lower low, higher low. But I still think ES wants to come in and take these London lows, so I'm not too worried about that. But I want to be trading the weaker asset. So what am I looking for here is I want to see this inverted with speed. That's exactly the candle you're looking for. And where does my stop go? It goes slightly above the formation wick of this candle here that formed the 1 minute fair value gap. So then I put my stop just here, knowing we'll probably get a retrace. So I get tagged in. We're just filling that fair value gap, and this is just beautiful. This is exactly the momentum you want to see coming out of it. And as you can see, this is just an awesome trade. It just rallied right to target. We hit it to the point, and now we're looking like a slight reversal might be happening. And so why did I pick this as my target and not go for the full prior weekly low? Well, a big reason is ES has taken its liquidity and is showing strength. So do I think NQ could have the momentum to get all the way to prior week's low? Like, yeah, probably, but I'm not in the game of, like, the probabilities of that happening are greatly lower than where I went for here. And what did I go for here? So if you look on the 5 minute, you just look left. And what I was looking at is just this first fair value gap that led to a large up move. I just want to see us take the wick of this, which is, as you can see, I'll mark it here. So that's what I was looking for. Thinking, well, we could come down, there's a 5 minute gap right here, take this wick and reverse. And if we go across where my trade is now, we came right down, took that wick, and now we're looking like we could reverse. So that's why it's important not to be greedy. And especially a big reason I was thinking that too is we got a hell of a lot of expansion overnight. Like, look at this. Typically when you get this sort of expansion overnight, we can easily come into New York AM, take this liquidity, and this could provide the reversal. And we've got if you look at NDQ, look at this large gap we left this morning. It's massive, So even to come back up in here, take 50% of this and then roll over to take this liquidity, that could happen. Do I want to sit through all of that? No. I'm going to take the lowest hanging, most highest probable fruit. So that's what I went for here. And as you can see now, I'm glad I did. You know, there was that little part of me going, damn, wouldn't it be awesome to knock like a 2.5 or 2.2 R trade out of this? Yeah, it would be great. But I would have been kicking myself right now. Like really, really kicking myself. Because like, as I said, the ES tells a story. Like the fact ES was holding so strong does say that we're probably not going to get the level of expansion in NQ we're hoping for. So just take the low hanging fruit every time, take the base hit, give your stop plenty of breathing room, and this is about as textbook as a setup that I'll ever have, and it's great. So we're 2 for 2 this week, and let's hope it can continue.